Welcome to Avoma, a powerful AI meeting assistant and a conversation intelligence platform used by sales and customer success teams around the world. We'll explore every tab, every feature, and every integration this website has to offer, and I'll explain what each button does, who it's for, and how you can use it. So if you're new to Avoma or just curious about how it works, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and let's get started. So, we are going to tackle these three tabs right here at the top: product, solutions, and integrations. Let's start off with the product, which is, a tab for their products or what they offer. So, there are four: meeting assistant, scheduler and lead router, conversation intelligence, and revenue intelligence. Starting off with the first one, which is the AI meeting assistant. First up, let's talk about Meeting Assistant. This is the heart of Avoma. The Meeting Assistant automatically joins, records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings in real time. As you can see, automate note taking, email follow ups, and CRM updates. Save 4 hours or more a week on note taking and CRM updates so you can focus on conversations and move them forward with timely follow ups. So, what does this mean? Well, whether you're using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, Avoma integrates directly and takes the burden off note taking. It transcribes conversations accurately using AI and even generates action items, topics, and speaker timelines. You can search back through past calls, tag team members, and use these notes to follow up effectively. So there is way more information per subject, like per product, when you scroll down at the bottom. So if you really want to learn more, you can go on ahead and go to avoma.com and read it all. But I'll just be giving you a summarization. So basically, what they have, they've got automatic recordings which can record the call and document it. They also have real-time transcriptions. Like let's say there's a language barrier, you could use this in order to converse better. There's also AI generated notes, which basically notes down the whole context of the conversations or topics. You've got smart chapters where you can, have different timelines of the meeting, like what a certain amount of time is about, and the next, and so on. They've also got follow up emails, which is also AI generated. They've got an AI chatbot where you can ask about it, and then an automatic CRM data entry. Now, let's move on to the scheduler and lead router. So, what is this? Think of it as your built in Calendly, but smarter. It allows leads to book meetings directly with the right rep, based on things like territory, availability, or even deal stage. Automate meeting scheduling, lead qualification, and routing. Schedule 2 times more qualified meetings to double your pipeline, not your spend, with frictionless buying experience from start to end. So, more about this. It's designed for revenue teams that don't want to lose hot leads just because someone wasn't available. It also integrates with your CRM to update lead records automatically. Now let's, read more about it. You've got unlimited scheduling links, no show reminders, like for example, if someone didn't show up to the meeting, and a round robin scheduling where you can assign meetings to different people, web form integrations where you can, connect other apps to their Avoma, automatic inbound router, CRM contact ownership check, outbound handoff router, and advanced reporting. So those are all the main subjects of scheduler and lead router. So now let's move on to conversation intelligence. This tool gives you real insight into how your team communicates in meetings. You've got automate call scoring, assist on live calls, and learn actionable insights, shorten onboarding and ramp time, and improve deal win rate by 40% with automated call scoring and personalized coaching. So, what does this do? Well, it analyzes patterns, highlights objections, and monitors talk ratios, and way more. Managers can use this data to coach reps, improve messaging, and understand what winning conversations look like. It's like having a performance coach for every sales call. So, let's scroll down a bit more and read about all the subjects to this. You've got a live answer assistant where the assistant will answer for you, AI call scoring that reviews every call, talk pattern insights, smart trackers, usage activity, and engagement insights. And yeah, those are all the main purposes. of conversation intelligence, which is generally to help you, be good at the conversation part. And lastly, in their products, we've got revenue intelligence. So, this is where Avoma really flexes its analytics. Learn deal risks, improve forecast, and automate win loss analysis. Increase quota attainment by 30% with AI powered pipeline updates, deal risk alerts, sales methodology tracking, and win loss analysis. So, basically, it combines conversation data with CRM to give a big picture view of your revenue pipeline. You'll also get reports that show which deals are at risk, which reps need help, and which trends are emerging in your sales process. It helps with forecasting, deal reviews, and accountability. So you're not just guessing where your revenue stands, you're seeing it very, very clearly. And once again, let's move on to its purposes. You've got pipeline inspection and CRM updates like this. This is what it's going to look like, by the way. Next up, the deal and churn risk alerts. You've got alerts and warnings about certain deals, AI sales methodology tracking, and then you've got the Ask Avoma AI Deal Copilot, which is another AI chatbot, AI assisted forecast, AI win loss analysis, and pipeline reports, which is, for your data and such. So, those are all the four products of Avoma. Now, let's move on to solutions, which we have three sections of. Starting off with for sales, Avoma's first solution is for sales teams. Sales reps spend hours in meetings. Avoma automates note taking, follow ups, and CRM updates so they can focus on closing deals. Sales leaders get visibility into calls without needing to attend to them, and they can review highlights, listen to key moments, and even compare call quality between top and bottom performers. This empowers better onboarding, ongoing coaching, and strategic selling. Next up, we've got for customer success. This is the second solution, and basically, CSMs can ensure that no detail is missed on onboarding calls, QBRs, or support meetings. With full transcripts and action items, teams can follow up with clarity. Managers can see if customer issues are being handled properly and use insights to improve processes and reduce churn. It's all about retaining customers and building relationships, not just solving tickets. Lastly, and thirdly, we've got four remote teams. With people working across different time zones, Avoma becomes a central hub for all meetings and notes. Even if someone misses a meeting, they can catch up by reading the transcript or summary. Remote managers can track team communication and ensure everyone is aligned. It's a game changer for hybrid and remote companies. And lastly, let's take a look at integrations. Starting off with conferencing. Avoma integrates with Zoom, Google, Microsoft Teams, and other major video platforms. Once connected, it will auto-record and transcribe meetings directly from your calendar invites. No extra work required. This makes setup extremely fast and adoption super easy. Next is the CRM integrations. Avoma connects with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho CRM, and more. After meetings, you can automatically log notes, update contact records, and track engagement. This keeps your CRM clean and up to date without the rep having to manually type anything. And lastly, we've got dialer integrations. Avoma supports tools like AirCall, Outreach, and RingCentral. These allow it to record and analyze calls made outside of video meetings. So whether it's a discovery call, follow-up, or cold outreach, you can still get a full conversation intelligence and coaching opportunities. So now that we've taken a look at the, most critical part of this website, what really is Avoma? Well, Avoma stands for a very organized meeting assistant, and that's exactly what it is. It's an AI powered platform that helps sales, customer success, and remote teams record meetings, generate notes, analyze conversations, and improve performance. If you're someone who spends most of your day on Zoom calls or client meetings, Avoma can save you hours and hours and also help your team become smarter, faster, and more aligned. It's especially useful for sales teams who want better coaching and visibility, customer success managers who want to avoid losing client context, and remote teams who want centralized searchable conversations. And yeah, that is a wrap on our full tutorial on Avoma. So today we explored the three main tabs, with product, solutions, and integrations, mostly the four main features under the product tab, like meeting assistant and revenue intelligence, or the conversation intelligence, and the scheduler and lead router. But yeah, whether you're part of a fast growing sales team or a distributed success team, Avoma is a tool worth exploring. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.